Hey, Agile Equipment is now selling the Protimeter SurveyMaster Moisture Meter. What's its biggest selling point? A super simple 3-button experience. The reference button switches between invasive and non-invasive measurement modes, allowing you to move from scanning a surface to taking a direct moisture reading in seconds. The power button doubles as a hold function, letting you pause and capture a reading when needed. Hold it down and the instrument powers off. The settings button can give you access to the meter's setup options, while holding it down activates Bluetooth connectivity for the Protimeter Connect app. And that's it. No complicated menus, no endless button combinations, just a fast and intuitive operation that lets you focus on the inspection instead of the instrument. And with a super professional finish as well. For rapid moisture detection, the non-invasive mode allows you to scan materials up to 90 millimeters below the surface without causing any damage. It's ideal for quickly checking walls, floors and ceilings and identifying areas that require further investigation. And when you need a more direct measurement, a single press switches to invasive pin mode, providing a precise moisture reading at the point of contact. You can either use the inbuilt pins or the included electrode. To help you maintain confidence in your readings, the instrument automatically performs a calibration check every 50 measurements, saving you the hassle of sending back for recalibration. And when it's time to document your findings, a built-in Bluetooth connectivity allows readings to be sent directly to the Protimeter Connect app. Measurements are automatically date and time stamped to your readings and photos, making reporting and record keeping simple and professional. Compared with more advanced instruments like the MMS3, the SurveyMaster strips things back to the everyday features, streamlined for ease and value, especially if you like to keep your hygrometer as a separate meter. And if you're looking for a moisture meter that's fast, reliable, and genuinely simple to operate, the Protimeter SurveyMaster is hard to beat. Visit agileequipment.com.au to buy yours today, or drop into our Brisbane showroom in Murray. Thanks for watching.